thought of putting your home on the market seem daunting? Do you have so many projects to do before getting it ready for showings that you just don't know where to start? Well, this video is going to give you some tips for decluttering so you can get your home ready for the market. Keep in mind you can donate items, have an estate sale company help you get rid of items, or just go ahead and start packing them up for your move. So why is it important to declutter? Well, buyers need to be able to visualize the space as their own and also see just how much space there actually is. I'm going to give you some visuals so you can see what homes that have been decluttered and are prepped for the market look like. Now, when you're decluttering, let's start with the entrance foyer. It should be minimal and welcoming, maybe a rug or a bench. The hallways also need to be clear and not blocked. Optimize your flow. Moving to the kitchen, you want surfaces to be clean and have a pop of color, maybe like a bowl of fruit on the counter. Take all of those magnets and all of the flyers and clutter off of that refrigerator. Now for the family room, if you have big heavy furniture and the room is not that large, it's not good. You want your room to look spacious and not have furniture taking up all of the space. Less is more when it comes to going on the market. For the home office, a lot of people are working from home right now, so box up the things that you don't use on a regular basis and use bins and shelves to clear off that desktop space. Bedrooms, again, remove heavy furniture that take up too much space. You want bedrooms to be warm, inviting, and as spacious as possible. For the bathrooms, invest in new rugs and towels to make a great impression. Now on the exterior, remove all the debris, old toys, old swing sets, trim up that landscaping, and clean out the sheds. I know it can seem a bit overwhelming, but you really want your home to stand out against the competition so that you can get the most money when you sell. That holds true in any market. So little things do matter. If you're unsure what to do in your own home, just give me a call. I'm happy to do a virtual home prep walkthrough with you or an in-person consultation. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when I post new ones. I'm Lori Engel, and I'll see you next time.